Viewing videos may earn up to $91 per hour, and it is one of the simplest methods to make money online. In this video, I will demonstrate how to earn $91 per hour by simply watching videos. It is very simple and easy to do. I will simplify this method in 3 simple steps. The first step is watch the video. Second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds, and the third and the last step is to cash out your earnings. See, it is as simple as that. I'll elaborate each step further as we go on with the video, so stay tuned and watch till the end to learn one of the easiest and most effective ways to earn money online today. I will also show you a website where you can do all of these for free. No restrictions. You can just go to that website, create an account, start watching videos, and earn money. The method that I'll be showing you is available worldwide, meaning anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. You also do not need any prior skills or experience to do this. All you need is your phone or laptop and the willingness to watch tons of videos every day. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. To start off, I would like you to go to ZoomBucks.com. Just type in on the address bar of your preferred browser, hit enter, and the website should look like this. As you can see, there are numerous ways to earn money on this website. You can complete surveys, watch videos, and do offers. However, for the sake of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it is something you already do on a daily basis and because it pays the most money for the least amount of time spent. Now, how does this website work? It is very simple. First, advertisers want engagement for their surveys, products, and services, so they post it on their website. Second, the website will find members who are willing to get paid for completing these surveys, review these products, and trying these services. Lastly, the chosen members will then complete the task given to them and they will earn points which they can exchange to cash or other various gift cards. You can cash out the points you've earned into cash such as PayPal, Visa cards, or gift cards such as iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, Xbox Live gift cards, and so much more. You can look at what type of gift cards you can exchange it with if you scroll down to this section of the website. Now, before we can do all that, first we need to create an account. To do that, just return to the homepage of ZoomBucks and fill up this form. You just need to put in your email and password and just click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, you will be sent to another page where you will need to fill up another form. This form will ask you for some basic information, just like your gender, birthday, first and last name, address, and country. Just fill in those, and once you have completed the form, just click on the complete sign up button, and just like that, you now have an account on ZoomBucks. Also, do not forget to verify your email by going into your email inbox and find a verification email from this website. You need to verify your email so that you can successfully cash out all the points that you have earned from watching videos. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Once you have successfully verified and logged into your account, you can now see your dashboard. On the upper right side of the dashboard, you can see how many points you have right now. For new users, ZoomBucks gives you 500 points as a sign-up bonus. On the left side of the dashboard, you can see a bunch of options such as surveys, watch, offers, and rewards. To start watching videos and earn money, I want you to click on the watch option and this should appear. Now, there are 2 options you can choose from to watch videos. One is Hideout TV and the other one is Lootably. For this video, we will be choosing Lootably. You can hover your mouse on this option and see more details about it. Just click on the start button right here and it will redirect you to this page. Now you can choose what types of videos you can watch. They have 3 options: food, DIY, and random videos. And for each category, you can earn 7 points for each video that you watch. So for example, we'll choose the food category. Now what you'll want to do is click this button and it will redirect you to another website called loot.tv. Before you can start watching videos, you first need to create an account on loot.tv. To do that, just click on the green sign up button on the upper right section of the website and just put in your email address and password and check the box to agree to the terms and services and privacy policy. And just like that, you have easily created an account. You can now start watching videos on this website and earn some money. And now I will show you some tips and tricks on how to efficiently watch videos and earn points in a short amount of time. First thing is you can lower the quality of the video. In that way, even if you have a slow internet connection, the videos will still play. Second thing you can do is to open another tab and play another video there. Then you can just mute the video and play it in the background, and you can do it with multiple videos. Just open multiple tabs and play multiple videos there. This will make you watch 5 to 6 videos at a time, resulting in more points per minute. Following and doing the 2 tips that I have shown you can make you earn money in less time and effort. So you can start doing these and earn money right away. If you are tired of watching videos, there are other alternatives in earning money on ZoomBucks. You can answer surveys or do offers. Just click on the survey option or the offers option on the left side and just choose which survey or offer you want to do. Just take note that shorter surveys pay you less while longer surveys pay you more. You can choose what type of survey you want to do depending on how much time you have. Once you have chosen the type of survey that you want to do, you can just follow the steps that we have done earlier. Just create an account on that website that you choose and complete the surveys or offers that are available on that website. Now, that is an easy and simple way to make money online. Just follow the steps that I have shown you in this video, and you can join thousands of people in making money online for free. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.